Hello, Nomad Sculpt and Radial Symmetry Part 3. Okay, I try another thing. The most important thing is to recognize which objects all have a radial symmetry and how to do this in Nomad Sculpt. Okay, I switch to the app. This is, oh God, what's the name for it? Tonne, it's in German. Um, okay, I I save this one. I rename it as Tonne. Okay, save as, yes. And I create a new one, yes. This in the scene, the sphere I don't need. We need a box. I turn the wireframe on, I change to orthographic view, and I turn the outline on. And we have to change the topology, division to 1, and you have to scale it a little bit. And division, so the box geometry, oh, this is wrong, a little bit thinner. I'm testing, and 0. Let's make everything to 0, and the Y division, we need a little bit more. Okay, I think it's nice. And now comes the radial symmetry. Okay, check the mirror on here in the top position. And we need the green axis, and green is Y. I think. Okay, this happens. And now we go to the gizmo tool, set move origin, then it jumps to the center, and we go to the top view. And in this view we can adjust some things. We can bring this out and bring this in a position like this. I do it very slowly. Okay, when we you can pin the menus that they don't go away, and now you can change here I think we try what about 16, and we can here adjust everything a little bit, and wrong, and bring it in position. You can reposition always move origin function, and now when you're fine, in this view, we can validate it. Okay, then we need a little bit more mesh. Oh, yeah, that's also a nice feature with a subdivision, but we need a flat subdivision, 1, 2 times, about this. And then we use the selection mask tool, and we mask, okay, we can turn the symmetry off, and we mask like this. And now we can use the blur function. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you see the red goes to the top, and now it's gone. And I think this is okay, the blur function. And then you can go to the gizmo tool and scale it with a ring like this. And you can also adjust it in this direction or so to make it look fine. Sometimes it could there can a problem appear when the symmetry is on and you don't need it. Check always symmetry on or off. In this case, it worked fine. We can hold the mask button, swipe up, and clear the mask. I think it's fine. We can paint this brown. Okay. And now we can use, we can subdivide it a little bit more to paint it. Use the paint, use a black color, and make the brush a little bit smaller and make a few strokes. And now you can use also the symmetry again. Turn on the symmetry. The settings of the symmetry stays in place. And we can use the smudge tool. Like this. Yes, you can make it with a little bit of more of detail. You can also use the trim function. Fill holes is active. You can set the radial symmetry to nothing, and you can use the green axis. I think it's X. I have to learn it. And in the trim function, symmetry is on. Trim this off, and it looks fine. Okay. Now we can add a cylinder. We can adjust the height of the cylinder, and always use move origin button to bring it right in position, and the radius we can bring here. Now it comes through, and I think we got 12. 12 or 16, I don't know. 16. Yeah, it's not so important. Validate it and paint it. Okay, and now the last thing is add a cylinder. I make it solo, bring it out, add a hole. You can make it a little bit smaller. And here you can bring it in position. I'm working now a little bit faster. That's the ring. Validate it, paint it in black. And this object we can duplicate, bring it up and bring it in a position like this. And now we can use the symmetry again. Turn on the symmetry. Which plane do we use? I have to turn off the symmetry. We need the green axis. Green is Y, the Y axis, and symmetry is on. I have a brain blocker at the left to right. Yes. Okay, that's better. Okay. In this view we can use the selection mask. I think symmetry is on. We can mask this. Give it a blur. And now let's try. That's the wrong direction. Invert the mask. Try it again. Better. Okay. Outline off, wireframe off, and a little bit of post-processing. And now we got this. It looks, it's I think cute, or it's okay. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.